Well, as you see, let me clean the lens off a little bit. It is, what, February 4th or 5th or something like that. And we got a snowstorm, winter storm warning today here in north central, pretty much northeastern Wisconsin has all winter storm warning, winter weather advisory everywhere else. Currently 6¼ inches or so. Gonna get more tonight, this evening, but the majority of the heavy stuff I think is done. But working with the MVP Plus, working well. I've been using it for a good 8 years now. And it's a great plow. It's clean, works well with this truck. So I'm gonna keep on using it for the next many years to come. Hopefully you can hear me okay. Sun's going down. It's almost 5 o'clock local time. So gotta start cleaning out the wood yard area. Snow's still falling, but I move a lot of snow back here, so I need to have the room. Just going slow because I got trees and snowmobiles over here. Actually cleaning a lot more snow this year than I did in the past, because I got this wood pile over here that you see in the camera right now. But I like to move snow out of the way. I don't just like to put it in random spots. Gotta think about where it goes. Think about melting in the spring and how I want to use the property with the snow on the ground. So I need to spend a little more time moving it where I want it, using the V plow and this MVP Plus, and it works pretty slick. So I've got it in V right now. And V always works really well for stacking as well. So since we got so much, well, we got about 6, coming on 7 inches of snow now. I'll work on this, get this out of the way, make sure I don't back into anything. Been using this plow. Bought it new in December of 2012. It was the first year we bought this house. And I had it on a white F350. And then in 14 I bought this truck. It's been on this truck ever since. And it's done really well. I don't usually plow for anybody else. Sometimes I help some people out if I need to, but for the most part it's just my own property. But hopefully you enjoyed this ride along and capture of the MVP Plus and F350 in action. Got the hiccups. Had a drink of a brewski and get the hiccups. Until next time, hope you'd enjoyed it, and looking forward to spring. Even though we've had a pretty mild winter for the most part, our snowfall totals are way down. 2019 we had over 100 inches. In February we had over 50 some inches in 2019. Actual February of 2019. And then in the winter of 1920 we had over 100 inches again, or really close to it. But most of that came earlier on in the year. This year we've got maybe 20 or 30, 35 inches so far this year. Nowhere near as much. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm going to keep cleaning up the snow, keep pushing snow outside, and then get the snow blower out. I got a little John Deere 826 that I use for auxiliary cleanup, and I got an ATV plow as well. So, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Adios.